How to disable Windows Defender SmartScreen. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Windows Security. On the left side, you'll find App and Browser Control. Click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off Check Apps and Files. Also turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. After you turn off both SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge and Files, you're good to go. Also, disabling SmartScreen can make your system more vulnerable and phishing attacks. Also, only proceed if you're confident in your ability to find safe files or identify safe files and websites. And that's how you disable Windows Defender SmartScreen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.